Intensify your training, proven strategies to excel at intensity. Are you ready to take your strength training to the next level? In this video, we will dive deep into the world of intensity within the realm of healthy bodybuilding. Whether you're a seasoned gym enthusiast or just starting out, understanding how to harness and maximize intensity is key to achieving your fitness goals. Intensity is the secret ingredient that separates the average from the exceptional. It's what pushes you to your limits and beyond, breaking plateaus and transforming your physique. But what exactly is intensity? It's the burning fire within you, the sheer determination to push yourself harder, to lift heavier, and to strive for greatness. To truly excel at intensity, you need to understand that it's not just about lifting heavy weights or doing more reps. It's about training smart, efficiently, and with purpose. One of the most effective ways to enhance intensity is through progressive overload. This means gradually increasing the demands on your muscles over time. By consistently challenging your body with heavier weights or more challenging exercises, you force it to adapt and grow stronger. Another powerful strategy to ignite intensity is through supersets and drop sets. Supersets involve performing 2 exercises back-to-back without rest, targeting different muscle groups. This not only saves time but also increases the overall intensity of your workout. Drop sets, on the other hand, involve performing a set with heavy weights until failure, then immediately reducing the weight and continuing the set. This technique pushes your muscles to their limits, stimulating maximum growth and development. In addition to these techniques, incorporating compound exercises into your routine is essential for intensity. Compound exercises engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, allowing you to lift heavier weights and work more muscles in less time. Squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups are just a few examples of compound exercises that should be staples in your strength training routine. But intensity is not just about the physical aspect of training. It's also about the mental game. Mental focus, determination, and visualization play a crucial role in achieving intensity. Before each workout, take a moment to visualize yourself lifting with perfect form, pushing through the burn, and conquering every set. This mental preparation will help you tap into your inner strength and give your all to each rep. As we wrap up this video, remember that intensity is not something that can be turned on and off like a switch. It's a mindset, a way of life. Embrace the challenge, push yourself beyond your limits, and never settle for mediocrity. Whether you're a bodybuilder, powerlifter, or simply someone looking to get stronger and fitter, intensity is the key to unlocking your full potential. So, are you ready to take your training to the next level? Embrace intensity, implement these proven strategies, and watch your strength and physique soar. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and join our community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about achieving greatness. Together, we can push the boundaries of what is possible and inspire others to do the same.